Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Alright, let's see how it's looking now. Okay, coordination between various parties. Okay, yeah. Coordination between various parties at a high level, or maybe at all levels. Okay. So assessment of the project risk, guiding and motivating the team to oversee the contract administration and effective communication with various stakeholders, multiple stakeholders. Yeah. Thanks a lot, John, for your contribution and everybody else. Yeah. These points and more. Yes, indeed. Testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. John, you think we can have one more? Okay, John is giving us one more. Right. Analyze the project budget. Yeah. Before startup. Okay, good. Yeah. Definitely. And there are many more. Testing 1, 2, 3. All right.